Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So my name is Kezia and this is my space called KezziesCorner, and over here it's a place where I love sharing about makeup, well-being and lifestyle. Today's video is going to be I'm going to be sharing with you what products I use as my everyday makeup routine, but also it's going to be a dedicated video as well to my favorite jewellery company at the moment called Linjer. So if that's something that you're interested in seeing, then keep on watching, and if you like today's video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more. So let's go ahead and get started with today's video. First things first, some primer, and I'm going to be using NYX Marshmallow Primer. Absolutely love this stuff. I'm going to be very sad when it actually finishes because it's a primer that I always actually liked how it worked, and with most of my foundations I feel like it's a very good overall primer. Basically, in this video is also going to be sharing about a brand called Linjer. I've previously worked with them in previous videos of mine and I absolutely love their jewelry brand. What I also like is that they basically have a brand which is dedicated to empower women with beautiful, minimalistic, sustainable jewelry, all at very fair prices. The foundation, just in case you're wondering, is the Catrice Invisible Cover Foundation. I have done a review on this and I absolutely love this foundation. So what I also love is that Linjer have some beautiful minimalistic pieces which can be used for every day, but also for a lovely night out as well. They have like these simple, elegant designs reflecting the Norwegian meaning behind their name. So Linjer, if you had to translate it, would translate into lines. Forgot there usually is works at the back, so I need to be very quickly because probably these works are going to just increase. The concealer I'm using is the IRL Filter Finish Concealer. I absolutely love this concealer. I think something else which is important to note is that Linjer uses 100% recycled materials. They would just use, like example, recycled 100% gold and silver, which I find is absolutely amazing and perfect for the environment. They build products to last and they build them with fine materials, including sterling silver, solid gold, and also what is known as gold vermeil. I mean, thanks to Linjer, I found out what gold vermeil is. So basically each piece of gold vermeil item uses a thick layer of 22K gold, which actually helps to keep the product long lasting and durable as well. And it keeps it at a very fair price too. I'm using the L'Oreal Accord Parfait. I don't know how you say it, but this powder has been a bestie of mine at the minute. For blush, I'm using the L'Oreal Le Blush in 120, and at the moment this is what I do for my everyday look. Nothing too fancy, just right. So what I love about the jewelry pieces is that they are elegant, they are durable, they are hypoallergenic, and they are nickel free as well. So that is absolutely brilliant. For brows, all I'm doing is I'm using my NYX Stick It Brow Mascara. Absolutely love the stuff. I also wanted to share Linjer because obviously, you know, Christmas is coming up, so you're going to start preparing for gifts and all that. And Linjer could be a good place to find a lovely gift for your loved one. I also have a discount code for you all. It's Kezzy. You simply enter it on your checkout, basically at checkout, and you will get a percentage off your order. Quite fluffy. I don't know what happened here, like had some psoriasis over there, so I don't know if that's reflecting to it. For mascara, I'm just using the Brat Revolution mascara. It's what I've been actually picking up. So who of you here have heard of Linjer? Comment down below. Who of you here love buying jewelry as presents? I love, there's a set of friends of mine that I would always buy a jewelry piece because I know they will wear it and they will love it. Alright, and for lipstick, I'm just going to be wearing this one from MAC. I forgot what was this called, but this was called Treblas, I think. I absolutely love this stuff. This is the Florence by Mills setting spray. If you guys know, by any chance, I'm going to London and I want to know where I can buy the stuff from London. Like, is it possible? Because I can't order it in Malta. So would appreciate if you guys know where I can buy this setting spray. So now, basically, I want to see a little bit my new items from Linjer. So basically you get them in a box like this, which I think is super duper cute. You get a little bit of a note about the brand. I mean, the products I have from Linjer have lasted for so long and it's like they're brand new still. So that reflects the durability of the items. Okay, so we have our first one. This is how the packaging comes in, and basically then you get them in a plastic like this so that you can easily give them as a gift as well. So these are chain earrings actually. So they're very cute. Literally, there's a chain with the pair of earrings. It's like a stud, and then there's a chain. I'm gonna try and show them to you guys, but so basically this is one, you see? So you have the stud over there, and then you have the chain, which I think is absolutely gorgeous. That is the chain earring. That's so cute. So I'm going to actually now wear another pair of earrings that I got. Put on the second one. And now I'm going to put on, well, I want to see what I have in the second one. So the second one, we have a ring, and I actually have the same one, but in gold, and now I actually got it in silver. And this one is called the Mother of Pearl ring, and this is a Margot Silver ring. It's absolutely beautiful. I really love it. I wanted a silver one, you know, so I can alternate between gold and between silver. So that is the Margot, the silver ring. I absolutely love that. And then we have, and this is such a cute little packet that it comes in. Oh my goodness. I never received a packet which is blue. I think they're very random probably. And in each of the pockets, you also get a bit about the brand again and about how to take care of it and all that stuff. And finally, we have these earrings, which actually I'm most excited about. They're actually called the Croissant earrings. Well, they have given us a name and they're actually called Piper. And they're made up of gold vermeil as well. So these are them. They're absolutely gorgeous. Look at them. Oh, I love these. I love gold hoops. I absolutely love the croissant earrings. They're really cute. Oh my days. Okay, so those are the jewelry pieces that I have to share with you. I'm really happy. And what I like about the earrings, as I always say, is that they're so lightweight. It's like I have nothing on my ears in actuality, but in actuality I actually do. But I absolutely love these earrings. So these are the products that I wanted to share from Linjer. I have everything linked down below. I also have my discount code as well linked down below. If you pick up anything from Linjer, I hope you enjoy them because they're absolutely gorgeous and the durability and longevity of the items are perfect. Perfect? Is that how you say it? Perfect, basically. So yeah, that was today's video. I know it's been a while since I've come here, but I took a bit of a break from social media and from YouTube because I felt like I needed to detach a little bit. Don't know what's going on with my hair, it's a bit puffy. I hope to see you guys soon, and thank you so much for supporting my channel and for coming back to my videos. It truly means the world to me. Thank you so much again to Linjer before I go, and thank you so much to you guys because without you guys this would never be possible. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care and see you soon. Ciao, ciao!